With GitAhead, you have better command over your history. Let's get into some of the more advanced features of our search bar. In a previous video, we showed you how to get to your starred commits or favorites list by typing is starred in the search bar. GitAhead has support for search operators which function much like your email. If you forget the syntax, you can open the advanced search by clicking on this arrow. We'll go through some of these options to help give you an idea of how these tools are used. Alright, let's clear the search bar and jump right into a few examples. So you received a bug report from a customer. You recognize the symptoms from the report and you smell a regression. I know I fixed this before, if only I could remember where. Grab whatever keyword fragments you have floating in your brain and throw them into GitAhead. I probably would have used the word bug at some point during the commit. Let's type bug. B-U-G. GitAhead tries to autocomplete or suggest search possibilities as you type. Each suggestion is an actual entry indexed somewhere inside of your Git history. This search landed quite a few hits. As you browse through the first couple commits, you remember that this bug was actually fixed by a coworker. Let's refine our search. I know Jason fixed this. And I remember that he used the word bug in his commit message. Let's try searching. These results are much more manageable. Notice what's been added to the search bar? Using the search operators author and message in our search has helped narrow our results quite a bit. Ah yes, here it is back on December 18th. This is the commit we've been looking for. Let's go ahead and star that. Let's go back to the advanced search and see what other search operators we have available. If you have an idea of when the commit was made, you can use date or date ranges to filter down your search results. Let's say show me only the commits before 2015 December the 19th. We'll go ahead and search this. Our starred commit here is still showing. And just for practice, let's shave off the earlier commit by typing something like this in the search bar. After 2015 December 17th. And there it is, our starred commit. If I open up the advanced search, you'll notice that the after field has been filled in for us. Let's go ahead and clear the search field. The file and path operators allow you the same sort of filtering the path spec box offers. Let's search for the file application.cpp. GitAhead is showing me all of the commits where application CPP has been modified. Let's clear this and try searching by path. I'll type my /source directory and search. Sorting by path allows me to see all of the changes which have occurred within a specific folder. Let's clear this. Scope, however, allows us to go one level deeper into Hunk header text. This can be particularly useful if you want to search your history looking for a specific method or function. Let's try searching our project for the function isBinary. These commits had the function isBinary in the Hunk header text. Also, while we're looking at this hunk, the lines in green are additions and the lines in red are deletions. In the unhighlighted text would be considered context. If I grab this search term here, get blob is binary, We can use the advanced search to narrow down our results by adding get blob is binary to our context field. Let's go ahead and search that. Now we're looking at all of the commits which touch the function isBinary and have get blob is binary in the context. Let's go ahead and clear out our search bar. The comment field allows us to quickly search only the comments in our Git history. This is helpful for finding commits where a to-do or a fix me tag is added. Over here in the Atom repository, you may find a comment like, "Wowza." The string field is useful for searching all strings throughout your project history. Let me show you a real-life example in our project using the keyword incorporated. I'll go ahead and open this file in the editor. Way up here at the top of this file, you'll notice our copyright message, which states needing authorization from Scientific Toolworks Incorporated. You could imagine if I did a search for INC, every file in the entire project would be returned. However, there are places where we use INC down in the code, and the string operator will help us get there. Here's an example where INC is used as a string. There's another example here where our CPAC package vendor is being set to Scientific Toolworks Incorporated. Lastly, let's go over the identifier search operator. This field is useful for searching any keyword or token throughout your Git history. This field will also exclude all comments and all strings from your search results. We're going to use the keyword return for our final example. Return is used all over our project. If I search for return as a comment, I can find it here. Or if I search for return as a string, I can find it here. However, in this use case, we want to find return as an identifier. Keywords or search terms that are used commonly or frequently can yield tons of false positives. You will need something like the advanced search bar in GitAhead to better command and navigate your Git history. That concludes this tutorial. Here are some other videos that you might find helpful.